Good morning, students. Now today we are doing by integration by parts, and integration by parts means when the two functions are given to you, that is f and g u into v x e की power x, when product the two functions are in the product. Let we suppose u is equal to fx and w is equal to gx be two differentiable function of x. Then the derivative of u into w is equal to, this is the product rule we are using here, u derivative of w plus w into derivative of du upon dx. Now we want to find out the value of du derivative of w, u dw upon dx is equal to derivative of u into w minus w du upon dx. Now integrating both sides, integration u dw upon dx into dx is equal to integration derivative of uw into dx minus integration w du dx into dx. Now derivative and integration, they are the inverse process and they will cancel to each other. And rest is integration u dw dx into dx is equal to u into w minus integration derivative, we first write derivative du upon dx into w into dx. This is equation number 1. Now we have considered this w, derivative of w is equal to v. Therefore integrating both side, integrating w upon dw upon dx into dx is equal to dv into dx. They are reciprocal to each other, they cancel to each other. W is equal to integration of v into dx. Now we want to substitute the value here. The derivative of v here is u v dx is equal to u into w, w की value है integration of v into dx minus integration du upon dx remain same, and w value is integration of dv dx into dx. This is the formula for the integration by parts. How it comes, ये इस तरह से formula आया है. You have to learn this formula. U into v, u integration of v minus integration derivative of first function into integration of second function into dx. Now it depends upon the choice of the first function. For the choice for the first function, the following rules are used. That is, the formula is I let. You remember this formula, that is equal to I let. I stand for the inverse trigonometrical function, and L stand for logarithm function, A for algebraic function, T for trigonometric function, E for exponential function. This is in the increasing order. ये इस इंक्रीजिंग ऑर्डर में है. इस ऑर्डर में आपने देखना है किसको हमने फर्स्ट फंक्शन लेना है, किसको सेकंड फंक्शन लेना है. Again remember this function. If two functions are given to you, first and second, first function integration of second minus integration derivative of first function into integration of second function into dx. Learn this formula. This is the choice, how we choose this, the first and second function. If x and e की power x, two functions are given to you, that is first and second, how we choose the first function, this or this? According to the I let, x is a algebraic function, e की power x is exponential function. Algebra is first, exponential is second, therefore this is the first function, this is second. You have to choose like this. Then you have to choose. I am giving an example here. That is, the question is I is equal to x e की power x into dx. I let, this is algebraic function, this is exponential, this is first function, this is second function. You have to write like this. First function integration of second function dx minus integration derivative of first function integration of second function dx into dx. X e की power x integration is again e की power x minus integration, first find the derivative, and the derivative of x is 1 into is there, e की power x integration is again e की power x divided by coefficient of x is 1 into dx. First you have to solve the derivative, then solve the integration, then multiply them, and after this you have to solve this integration. X e की power x minus e की पावर x dx, x e की पावर x, e की पावर x की इंटीग्रेशन e की पावर x प्लस कांस्टेंट ऑफ इंटीग्रेशन. This is the first example. We take another example as x sin x. We take another example according to I late. Always remember the formula I late. This is algebraic, this is trigonometry. Algebra and trigonometry. Algebra is first, trigonometry is second. Therefore, this is first and second function. First function, integration of second function minus integration derivative of first function integration of second function into dx. Into dx. This dx is according to this integration. X, integral sin x is minus cos x minus integration derivative of x is 1. Integration of sin x is minus cos x into dx minus x cos x minus is plus integration of cos x dx, and the integration of cos x is equal to sin x plus c. We take another example here, that is integration of log x. Here only one function is given to you, that is equal to log x, and no other function is given to you. Then you have to write integration log x. If the function is not given, then 1 is considered as this function. And according to I late, logarithm function is log and 1 is algebraic function. So L is first, therefore this is first function, this is second function. First function remains same, integration of the second function minus integration of the integration derivative of the first function integration of the second function into dx. This dx is very important here for this integration. Log x, the integration of 1 is again x minus integration derivative log x is 1 upon x, 1 की integration x dx. This will cancel. Log x into x minus integration of 1 into dx, and the integration of 1 is x, that is minus x plus constant of integration. Then we take one more example here. We are taking one more example here is x sin q x dx. Here this is called as first function, and according to I late. This is algebra, this is trigonometry, so this is first function, this is second function. First function, integration of second function dx minus integration derivative of first function into integration of second function into dx, which is equal to x. Now the integration of cube we cannot solve here. Therefore, the integration of sine 3x is equal to 3 sine x minus 4 sine cube x. Now find the value of sine cube x here. Sine cube x is equal to 3 upon 4 sine x minus 1 upon 4 sine 3x. Substitute here. क्यूब किसी भी पावर में है, सिर्फ पावर में सेकंड स्क्वायर एंड कोसिकेंट स्क्वायर की इंटीग्रेशन होती है, बाकी सबके फॉर्मूले लगाने पड़ते हैं ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक में. तो here we write the 3/4 sin x minus 1/4 sin 3x bracket into dx. Integration derivative of x is 1 into, again sin cube is there, then again write the formula 3/4 sin x minus 1/4 sin 3x into dx. X 3/4 integration of sin x is minus cos x, minus 1/4 minus cos 3x divided by coefficient of x, minus 3/4 minus cos x, integral sin x is minus cos x, minus 1/4 minus cos 3x divided by 3 into dx, minus 3/4, take 3/4, we take 3/4 x cos x, minus minus plus 1/12 x cos 3x, minus 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 plus 3/4 cos x, minus minus plus with negative sign minus 1/12 cos 3x, and integration of this integration again, minus 3/4 x cos x plus x cos 3x upon 12 plus 3/4 integration of cos x is sin x minus 1/12 sin 3x upon 3 plus constant of integration. Therefore, minus 3/4 x cos x plus x cos 3x upon 12 plus 3/4 sin x minus 1/36 sin 3x plus c. This is the answer. We take one more question here. That is x cube e की power x dx. Here algebraic function, this is exponential function. First function, integration of second function minus integration derivative of first function, integration of second function dx into dx. X cube e की power x is e की power x divided by x is 1 minus integration 3x square into integration of x into dx is e की power x dx. जो यहाँ पर इंटीग्रेशन होगी दैट रिमेन सेम हेयर. X cube e की power x minus 3 take outside integration of x square e की power x dx. Now integration does not finish here. Again we take integration by parts here from. Therefore x cube e की power x minus 3, again take first function integration of second dx minus integration derivative of first function into integration of second function into dx. X cube e की power x minus 3 x square e की power x की integration e की power x minus integration derivative of x square is 2x e की power x dx. Here we are again applying, this is integration by parts. X cube e की power x minus 3x square e की power x minus, here 2 we take outside, again first function integration of second, directly we are doing here. Now derivative of x is 1 e की power x dx. We have done this question already, so we have here write the value. X cube e की power x minus 3x square e की power x minus minus plus 3 2 जा 6 x e की power x minus 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 plus 3 2 जा 6 again minus 3 e की power x plus c e की power x की इंटीग्रेशन की power x into dx. We shortcut method, we also given the shortcut method here. If u and v are two functions, then how will you solve? U integration u in a first function means same, v means v1 means integration of first function minus derivative of first function integration of this v1 v2 plus again derivative of this function integration of this v3 and so on. By giving an example here, same example I am giving here, x cube e की power x. Now we want to solve by this method. This is u, this is v, x cube, integration of v is e की power x minus derivative of this is 3x square, integration of this is e की power x minus derivative of this function that is equal to 6x e की power x plus again integration again derivative of x is 1 that is 6 e की power x की integration e की power x plus c. Here we have written wrong thing, so we confirm here is 3 2 जा 6 6 से मल्टीप्लाई कर रहे हैं यहाँ पर 3 2 जा 6 6 से मल्टीप्लाई कर रहे हैं. The answer remain same. Thank you.